Hi, this is Aldo from excelninja.com. Today we're going to be talking about the goal seek function. Say you have this scenario here. You have three products and you have a target contribution for the year that you need to achieve. What you have at the moment is you know how much you've sold of product A, you know, or how much you're going to sell, how much you sold or you're going to sell of product B. You need to find a number for product C, which is still a bit flexible at the moment, to get your overall contribution for the year. That needs to be $150. At the moment, with the two products A and B, you only get to $90,000. You have the revenue for the products, you have the margin for the products, contribution, and that gives you the overall contribution for the product. Which adds up to, at the moment, 90. You need to get to 150. You could start trying to find a number just by typing in what sales you might achieve, but that, as you can see, it's a very long process because you go 160,000, still not there. Let's go to 100,000, still not there. So it's a case of trial and error for a while. So it can take a long time. So to get more productive in your Excel spreadsheets, what you want to do is to use the goal seek function. Where do you find it? You're probably in home, so after home you go to the data ribbon, and then you'll be looking for the what if analysis icon, and you click on that and you see three different options, and you want to choose goal seek. In goal seek, what you need to do, you need to say, okay, you want to set a cell, which is going to be this one here, to the value, and we're going to say 150,000 because that's our target. So we're telling Excel to set the value of cell D8, which is the overall contribution that you want to make, to 150,000, which is your target. And you do this by changing a cell, and in our case is this one here. And then we type OK, we click OK, and there you go, it finds it. So what Excel has done is done all the possible calculations that it needs to be doing to find out that you need to sell $400,000 of product C at a contribution of 15% to give you a contribution margin of $60,000, which adds up to $150,000, which is the target that you had basically at the beginning. So as you can see, this is a much easier way to find a number, especially when there's very complicated calculations, instead of just typing them in. One thing that we need to clarify is that in order to use this goal seek function, there needs to be a formula that basically links your cell that you're going to be finding a number for, that links this cell to the end result, this 60,000, this 150,000. Otherwise goal seek cannot work basically. But just to summarize, you go to data, what if analysis, and then choose goal seek, and through that, using this function, you can make your job in Excel much easier and more importantly much faster.